Sum number 10. In the figure, x is at any point in the interior of a triangle. X is a point in the interior of a triangle. Point x is joined to the vertices of the triangle. So this is a triangle and point x is joined to it. It's also joined to this, okay. Sec PQ is parallel to DE. We will take a triangle and we have here x, and then you have these points joined to the vertices. We have P, Q, R. Sec PQ is parallel to DE. Now D is here, okay. So we have it here. This is E and this is D. Sec PQ is parallel to DE. QR is, now E is here and it is, you see this diagram. Sec PQ, now we have a triangle and we have x at the center. Okay, then you have the vertices being attached and we have a triangle here. This triangle. Okay, and here we have P, we have Q and R. Now this P is extended and it becomes D here. This D is extended and this Q is extended and you get E here. And now look at the shape of my figure, because it doesn't come neat when I draw like this. And we have E here and then parallel here F. Okay, so we look at this figure now. Okay, so let's look at this figure. So sec PQ is parallel. PQ is parallel to DE. It's parallel to this. And QR is parallel to EF. Fill in the blanks and we have to prove that PR is parallel to DF. Now these two parallel lines we have got, this parallel and this parallel, and we have to find that DF is parallel to PR. So fill in the blanks. The blanks are there. So I will just write the question. Now in triangle XDE, first part is in triangle XDE. What is given? PQ is parallel to DE. So we will take XDE. We have XDE. X is here, DE, and here you have PQ. P and Q here. Okay, so when lines are parallel, which sides are in proportion? These sides will be in proportion. Okay. So when PQ is parallel to DE, the sides which are proportional are DP is to PX and XQ is to QE. XP upon DP, which is equal to XQ upon QE. The first one. So we have it here. Which are they? Once again, which triangle are we taking? We are taking this triangle. Okay, we are taking this triangle. And which side is parallel? This side is parallel to this. That is, PQ is parallel to DE. So now which sides will be in proportion? DP is to PX or XP and XQ is to EQ. Okay, so we have got the first equation. Now we take the second equation, second triangle. In triangle XEF, X, E, F. Okay, this part. And here you have this side. Okay. Now, when the sides are parallel, which sides will be in proportion? X, Q, R. QR is parallel to EF. So, which sides will be in proportion? XQ is to EQ will be equal to XR upon RF. So, we will have XQ is to QE, which one? XQ is to QE will be equal to XR is to RF. XR is to RF. This is my second equation. Now, what do you find similarity between the first and the second? XQ is to QE and XC is to QE. Both are same. So, we have learned A is to B, A equal to B and B is equal to C. Then, what will be equal to C? A will be equal to C, right? So, suppose I have a number A, its value is 5 and value of B is also will be 5 because they are equal. Now, when B is 5, C will also be 5. Naturally, A will be equal to C. So, what are now? These two sides are equal, are the same. Therefore, XP is to DP will be equal to XR is to RF. Let's see where they are and which lines will be parallel because of their proportionality. We have got XP. XP is to DP. Okay, here, which is equal to XR is to RF. So, which sides will be proportional? Which side we have found proportional? XP is to DP. XP is to DP and XR is to RF. Therefore, which sides will be parallel? Parallel will be PR to DF. Okay, so we have proved it. Sec PR is parallel to sec DF. Okay, let's do it very, very neatly now. In triangle XDE, PQ is parallel to XDE. I have drawn it separately here, neatly here. XDE. Here we have XDE here. Okay. Here it is. And I have drawn it across like this. So, XP is to which side? XP is to PD or DP equal to which side the parallel line is intersecting? The other side. So, XQ is to QE. Now, we take the second triangle XEF. XEF, the lower portion. So, we have it here XEF. Which lines are parallel? QR is parallel to EF. Okay. So, which sides will be in proportion? XQ is to QE and which is the remaining side? XR is to RF. Now, XR is parallel to EF, it's a given condition. Okay, so we have tried here given. And PQ is parallel to DQ is also given. Okay, given conditions. Now, why these two sides are proportional? Because of basic proportionality theorem. I am writing a BPT, it means basic proportionality theorem. And what did we find from equation 1 and 2? What did we find? We found that XC upon QE and XC upon QA. Therefore, XP is to DP is equal to XR is to RF. So, we will write here XP is to DP equal to XR is to RF. So, because of this, sec PR is parallel to sec DF. This is given in the question. PR is parallel to DF, and why? Because of converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thank you, dear children, and God bless you always.